Okay, first jack the truck up, chalk off the tires. You're going to need, if yours is like mine, you're going to need an impact wrench because they were rusted. I tried to break it with a cheater bar. They wouldn't break, so I had to break out the impact. Alright, you're going to spin off all 4 bolts. You're going to need a 12 millimeter 12-point socket. Okay, got it off. And don't forget to mark the drive shaft where it connects to the rear end flange so you can line it back up. I had to use a rubber mallet to tap on it to get it to come loose, but with a little tapping it worked okay. Okay, the next thing I did was I took off this little clamp here. I just took a pair of wire cutters, and there's a little lip, as you can see right there, that I just went in and just wiggled it back and forth real hard. It was sort of difficult to get it off. I heard some people say it was easy, but not too easy for me. But anyway, it came off, and you can leave this one right here on. Just let you orient. There's the rear end. There's the drive shaft. And so you can just take off the one that's closest to the mid-mount here. That one there. Again, you can leave that one on. And as you can see, it looks like this thing needs some grease. So I'm gonna go ahead and, I don't know if I should mark this or not, but just to be on the safe side, I'm gonna go ahead and mark it. Okay, what I did, I took that white grease from Ford, and you can see that toothbrush laying over there. I put it on there, and I coated the inside of this, the female portion of the spline, really well, and I also put a light coat on the male spline.